Alright, let's do task number 5. Oh, task number 5 is just printing the evidence document. So we just print your evidence document now. Task number 6, that's meaning there will be no evidence needed from task number 6. There will be printouts, of course. Yes, there will be printout 7 and printout 8. Right, let's go ahead and do this. Create a short presentation. All slides must be consistent layout and formatting unless otherwise instructed. Slides must be formatted to display a title and a bullet list. Step 26. Create a presentation of 6 slides using the champs.rtf. Now, placing the header, send the candidate number and make sure the header appears in the same position on every slide. Now, what you do is open up your Microsoft PowerPoint and use the Microsoft PowerPoint to open your file called champ. So here I will go to my desktop, get it for free. Sorry. Now, let me remind you that you will not show up if you do not go and change this to all files, and then go find champ. You can see champ there and open. Automatically it will create that 6 slides if you want it. Right? Now that's done. Place in the header your name and sender number and candidate number. So go insert your header. This little slides appears, and then you will do a footer because there's no header. It's just that piece of box. You have the footer or header. You can move it up to the top or move it down to the bottom. Right? And inside here I'll have Zephyr. TO003 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, and then apply this to all slides, and it will appear on all slides in the same position. Step number 27, change the layout of the slide with the title international skills competitors to a title and table. Right, so go find that slide international skills. Yeah, international skills and competition is here. You need to change it into a title and table. So right click on the left side, change the layout into a title and table. Content with caption, to content, comparison, title and content. There is no title and table. It's title and text, blank, to content. For this one, I'll go with title and content. So you have a title on the top and a content on the bottom. There is no title and table. When you create a table, it contains 4 columns and 7 rows. So I'll just click here and insert a table. Look at the tables there. 4 columns, 7 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, now you have the 4 columns, 7 rows. Copy the data from the CSV and place it into the table. So you need to open up your comps. Highlight this. Right, you need this data into it. So I'll just highlight this data, copy it, and come back to my table and I'll paste. Right, now it looks good. Alright, so to create the table, just go highlight the table and paste it inside, especially on the top left cell. Tab 38, format the table so that the plain table style is applied. So if you click here, you can see that table styles are there. It needs to go to the plain. There is no naming shown. Let me chop this down. Or it does not have any name for now. So let me just do this one. Oh, this one does not show anything at all. Right, the style effects. Right, let's just go with this. I'll just go with the plain one, yeah, and leave this one like that, just from the no style, no grid. Film one style accents. Alright, the name showing up, but it doesn't. So I'll just go with the first one there, and I'll find out which one is the plain table. No text is wrapped within the table. Yes, text wrap meaning it will cut into number of the words will be in columns. The table fits on the slide with all the data fully visible. Yes, all internal and external grid are displayed when printed. Right, so it must have some sort of borders. So I'll do all borders so we can have it printed. I'll change the style, make sure it looks nice, and put them into the middle. Now it looks better. Right, now it's good. Step 29, insert a new row at the first row of the table. So get a new row here. Right, insert a row above. Merge cells in the first row and enter the text row skill and work skill. So row 1 and row 2 look like this. Alright, so these two are merged. These two are merged. And here it has row skill. This side wall skills. Format the table so that it allow all rows are 1.5 centimeter high. Text in all row is centered vertically and horizontally. So I'll just highlight the whole table. Highlight the whole table, and at home you can have it centered, and also the, let me chop this down. It's not here. Let's go to design here and layout. You can see that in order for you to put in, this is centered horizontally, this is centered vertically, right? And then everything is center align, yes, 1.5 centimeter high. The design format the shape right, internal margin left is this, right, 1.5 centimeter high. Okay, the rows is 1.5 centimeter high. Right, so what you do is just type in, because this is in inches, just write in the 1.5 centimeter, 1.5, and you must write the cm. It will automatically translate it, change it into a inch. And then that's the end of page 30 of step 30. Step 31, add the following text as presenter or speaker notes to the slide with the title International Skills. Right, this is the international skills. Competitors. Competitions. Yes. And the notes is down there. All you have to do there is enter those notes. Okay, step 31, print out 7. Make sure print only the slide as a presenter speaker notes, right? So you need to print only this slide. So go to print or print preview. Go to print, and you need only the current slide. And also, not only you're printing the current slide, you're printing the note pages or the outline handouts. Or print what slides, or you're gonna do a handouts, 2 per page, or note pages. Right on the, you need to only print this one. So print the current slide and then press OK. It will print only this current slide here, of course. So make sure you're able to print, or let me help you out when you do your printing, just to get your printing right. 72, save the presentation. I'll put this one on my working area in case I might need it later on. And then print all the slides in presentation and the handout as a handout using a layout of 6 slides to the page. So I'll do a print preview, and then I'll do the print doing handouts, 6 pages per 6 slide per pages, which is this, and print all, right? Then you print, and that's 1 mark. That's a total of 30 mark. That is the end of your task number 5 and 6.